25 years of legacy in this Indian film industry. So where does War 2 fit? Where does War 2 fit in this?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. హైదరాబాద్ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? I hope everybody is comfortable. Thank you for coming. Thank you for this warm welcome. Thank you. I want to hear the roar of the Tiger fans. తారక్ నీకు అన్న నాకు తుమ్ముడు. We are all brothers and we are a family. Seeing you all of here, seeing all of you here, I am so honored and I am so grateful. Thank you. Thank you, Hyderabad. A long time ago I was shooting here for Krish and I experienced the hospitality, the love, the warmth of the Telugu people, and I am so happy to be back. I'm so happy to be back now, 4 days away from the release of War 2. Yuddhaniki ready na? And I want to say, Tarak and I started as co-stars and we ended up like brothers in real life. I want everyone to give me a promise today. Will you give me a promise? I want you to promise me that you will love my brother the same way forever, because he deserves it. Sorry, I did not answer your question.
Pratik
I was taken in by the love.
We just love it. We just love it. We love the way you connected with the audience. And I was asking you the question, where does War 2 fit in your filmography in this 25 years journey?
War 2 sits right on top of everything that I have done. Right on top. The love and appreciation and encouragement I got when I played Kabir in War 1. That reminded me of the love that I got in Kaho Na Pyar Hai. The love I got in Dhoom 2, in Krish. And this time I'm coming back with Kabir. And it is such a joy to play that character that everyone loved so much. I humbly hope that you all enjoy him again. This time he is even more intense and even more in a dilemma and very, very emotional. And he is in front of none other than the real Tiger himself. So this is, I think, going to be something unmissable. Unmissable.
You have battled so many injuries that many may not have overcome, but you did it with ease and grace. So how was it doing once again an heavily action-packed film?
Yes, I will be honest. It was difficult. We worked very, very hard. We sometimes injured ourselves. But when I saw this man and how strong he is, I could not complain. I was in pain, but I saw how strong he is and I was like, oh, no, I'm okay. I'm okay. So thank you for the inspiration. And thank you to the entire team, my director. My director has a vision. And to see my director, Ayan, be happy with a shot, it took all my pain away. So thank you to the team, thank you to my director. It has been worth it.
Thank you so much. And we are just eagerly waiting to see both of you all match your dance energies. We have seen a 35 seconds promo. Thank you so much, Hrithik Garu. Please go ahead, whatever else that you want to speak with the audience.
So, when I feel pain when I'm shooting and I'm thinking, is this worth it? Today when I see all this love, of course it is worth it. I don't know what I have done to deserve this kind of love. And I thank you and I promise you that I will keep working hard so that I always deserve this love. I want to say one more thing, that I see a lot of myself in Tarak. We have had very similar journeys, 25 years now. And I think Tarak sees a little bit of himself in me also. It is true when they say that he is one take, final take star. On set, Tarak, I have not just observed you, but I have learnt from you. I have learnt how to go into a shot 100%. Not 99.9%, not 99.999, but 100%. Which is why when he comes out of a shot, there is no judgment only. He will not even check the shot because he knows that he has given everything to it. And I have learned that. And I will apply that in my future films, Tarak. Thank you for teaching me that. And a little bit of, I don't know if they know, but do you know how an amazing chef he is? He makes the best food. So I want a promise from you also. Okay, no matter whether we do another film or we don't do another film, but I will always keep tasting your biryani. Always. Lifelong promise. There are so many things I want to say about this man. There are so many things. I think if I go on and on and on, you all will throw me out because you want to hear him speak now. So Tarak, I welcome you to speak now. I think I've spoken enough.